age of the guys. When they get up, they don't make noise, you're in trouble.
Let's go, Jackie, please.
You made that noise?
Oh yeah, I creep when I get up. It's like Rice Krispie treats.
Dude, on his feet, Carlos is water, dude. The man is just fluid. He is just smooth. Look at that man. Like a dancer.
Baits you with the leg and swims to the right.
Brawl! 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 Belly down. Belly down. Switch your base. Get your leg over the other leg. Get up. Brawl it, Carlos. Brawl it. Hit.
There you go.
Pull down. Snap down.
Just go to your knees.
Yes, backwards. Step and backwards.
Backwards, snap down.
Two. Shot after that.
I'm sorry, bro. Good to
Guard pull. Wrestle up. Double legs. Wrestle up. High low. Halfway. Underhook. Where's your underhook? Alright, Gochi. Uchimata. Two. Frame away, get under him. Frame away. Frame away. In his neck. Yep.
Under the armpit, Carlos.
Yeah, you can straighten that one out. Just pop out the back door.
Minute 30.
Go, Carlos. Fight that leg, get back to full guard. Gotta get out of there, Carlos. You're losing. 1 minute. Gotta get out of there.
Go deep, Carlos. Yeah.
Deep out. You gotta face him.
Face him, Carlos.
There you go.
Other way.
Free that hand, fight the knee. Get back on your right hip.
Stand up.
Yep. 4 more. Up, back. Good. We need a submission here. We're down, I think, 6 or 8.
Yeah.
We're down 8, 30 seconds. Go reckless.
8-0.